Hello everyone. My name is Duan Zhaozhen. Nowadays, major economies around the world are experiencing high inflation, and Australia is no exception. Inflation in Australia has been above 6% since the second half of 2022. High inflation has reduced the purchasing power of the currency in people's hands. Firms continue to increase price to shift the product cost to customer, leaving customer with a higher cost of living pressure. Therefore, one of the issues that the Australian economy need to address is to reduce the cost of living pressure. According to the Hike theory, the government has an incentive to keeping printing the money, and the Australian government did adopt an expansionary policy to respond to the COVID-19 outbreak. However, the increase in money supply exceeds the increase in demand, and the economy will face inflationary pressure. The energy supply shock arising from the Russia-Ukraine conflict accelerated the process. One of the RBA policy intervention is to raise the cash rate. As can be found on the RBA website, the cash rate target has been raised from 0.85% in January 2022 to the current 4.1%. In tight monetary policy means that the central bank raise the cost of the credit and make it more difficult to obtain credit. It can decrease investment. Secondly, customers also use the less credit to spend and total consumption is lower. On the asset side, the price of the assets decrease as interest rate rise. People has less welfare and invest less. All of the both mentioned factors lead to reducing in aggregate demand and an expansion of the low price. The price level eventually falls, and the goals of reducing cost of living pressure can be achieved. The Federal Reserve has also been raising interest rate in response to inflation in the United States. This is the common means of the monetary policy intervention.